Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace a utensil tray support bracket in your dishwasher, pull the top rack out. Release the retaining tabs to remove the front stop clips. Slide the rack off of the rails. Lift out the utensil tray. Release the top of the old support bracket, if still intact, and unhook it from the rack. Install the new support bracket by hooking the bottom clips onto the rack, then snap the top clips into place. Reseat the utensil tray. Align the utensil tray support brackets on the rails and slide the rack in. Realign the two front stop clips on the rails and snap them into place.